my years in India, I saw firsthand the excellence you offer our company as you established the US FDA Analytics Lab, the global micro operations, and the focus on PCB innovation. I was also at the receiving end of your support when I was managing Africa, Eurasia, and the European divisions. I thank you for that. Over the years, thanks to the expertise and your commitment to excellence, the India GTC has been entrusted with increasing global responsibilities. You exemplify our company's purpose of being a caring, innovative growth company, reimagining a healthier future for all.
But our vision really was this technology center would become eventually a global technology center. And today, I'm so proud that this technology center really represents Colgate technology as it is around the world, not just a technology center to support the India region, but it also now supports Africa, Europe, and frankly, the rest of the world. Congratulations on your 25 years and good luck for the next 25.
I had the privilege to be a part of India GTC team for a very long time, and I have closely seen the successful transition from regional technology center to a global technology center over the years. The significant contribution that the team has made has helped Colgate to become the most trusted brand in India. So many congratulations again. My best wishes for the future.
It is my privilege to be part of 25 years of IGTED journey. We are the third largest R&D other than Piscataway and Mexico. Various functions got added since inception of this R&D side, which clearly reflects the trust and confidence of our senior leadership in all of us. I would leave us with a note that we enjoy this journey of constant improvement, building strength and trust, and above all, a journey of constant learning. Join our karma towards progression.
Congratulations to every one of you for such a terrific milestone. 25 years. Wow, that's truly amazing. Since then, the IGTC has certainly come a long way. From our first big relaunch on CDC back in 2002 to our foray into facial cleansing more recently. The IGTC's work on product development continues to elevate Colgate's credentials in the form of science at work. In addition to that, the IGTC has been instrumental in shaping Indian oral care industry by partnering the government in defining and framing regulatory standards and approaches for oral care over the years.
IGTED, what a shining silver. It has been a privilege to have seen your resilient spirit of innovation and unwavering commitment to progress. Feel proud, and here's to 25 years of pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible.
If I look back and think about what is that one thing that has stayed with us over the years, I think there are three top things on my mind. One is the resilience that this team has to offer. Second is the crazy mind full of innovation and creativity, which hopefully you would see a lot of it over the 3 years, especially today. And lastly, this undying aspiration of wanting to do more and more.
25 years of India GTC. Drum roll! Yeah! I have given blood and sweat to India GTC. Oh wait, even saliva and plaque too. But you know what? In return, I have received much more than what I have given. Curiosity, inspiration, love for science, friendship for life, and a lot of happiness and satisfaction.
Yeah, long years of dedication, commitment and hard work from the team have resulted into transforming IGTED from service organization to innovative organization and influencing the outside CP world.
According to me, the spirit of IGTED is the diversity. Since it's India Global Technology and Design Center, the diversity would be coming in it naturally. It is a diverse group of technology, diverse group of skills, diverse people, and so many diversities coming in as a part of the Indian culture.
We are all immensely proud of all that we have achieved in the last 25 years and are really excited about the challenges that lie ahead. This celebration is an opportunity to reflect on the achievements and contributions of the past.
So it's great to be part of this team which has increased in terms of not only in terms of number but also in terms of the output. So all the best on the 25th anniversary and for many more to come.
Like an eagle, every time it has shed its old feathers, donned new ones and flown to great heights. I am proud to be a part of this living legend.
We have come a long way. I still remember those days. It used to be RTC. We moved from RTC to IGTC and now to IGTED organization. This movement is so precious to all of us because it underlines the successful back-to-back years of innovation that transform into consumer trust.
I'm really glad to be a part of this organization as it has helped me to become a better individual and a leader. So here's wishing my fellow IGTED members a very happy 25th anniversary. We have a glorious journey and wishing you many such progressive years ahead.
Smile karo aur shuru ho jao.